Friends, this is Sohi here. Today we are learning how to download the CheckTime employee application in the mobile phone and how to log into the application and what is the functionality inside the application. So first, when you are a HR, you can see employee section when you log into your cloud software. So in the cloud software, you can have any employee you can edit. Go into the basic info. Once you go to the basic info, scroll down, you have this login information. This login information for mobile application login for this employee. So when we go to the mobile, if you're using iPhone, you can go to App Store. You can type here mobile application check time V3. Don't put the space, CheckTime V3. Once you type here, you can see this application here. So you just download this application. Once you download done this application, you can open this application. Now we have username and password. So we will log in for this user. Then after this, password, whatever your password, you can get from your HR if you are employee. Login. So from different device is not allowed, because when you are login, you can log in from the one mobile phone. This will tie with your account. If you are changing the device, you can't log in again from the different device. So you have to request your HR to reset the account for this thing. So your HR just have to go to your account, ATT permission, reset. Once reset done, you can log in from the new mobile phone. If now I sign in, I can log into the mobile application. So this is how you log into mobile application for CheckTime software. Now here you can see your attendance. If you want to do the attendance, check in, check out from your phone, you can do it. Like if I want to check in, I want to use GPS. So I just take the selfie or any photo, whichever you like. Okay, then take the photo. I'm using phone on the mirror, so it won't open the camera. So use. So my attendance is successfully. Then I can go back to home. If I check the report, today I have check-in. Just now I do the check-in, so I have a check-in here. If I want to do the attendance, from here, the side down menu also, you can do the attendance. And if you want to do the leave application, just go to the leave application. You have all the leaves. Apply the leave. You can select the leave name from here. Select the date. What date I want to apply for. You can select previous date or forward date, is up to you. I want to apply. Any. Then after this, if you have any receipt for your medical or you're applying MC or something, then you can apply. Take the photo of the receipt from here. Same, you open the camera, use the photo. So once this text, you can see here, photo is already uploaded. You want to retake, just retake the photo, use. So you have done. Then after that, apply leave. Once you apply leave, monthly leave are not available. So in my account, maybe I don't have any monthly leave. I have to go to check. I don't have any monthly leave. So I have to assign annually. Maybe 2 monthly leave I can take. Medical, 2 leave I can take each month. So something like this. You can assign to your employee how many leave they have. After this, you will go back, you go to home. So this is our, then you want to apply leave, just go to leave application, select any leave, like I select the medical leave, I select, so last date to last date, Saturday, so paid leave, going out. If you want to take photo, you can take photo of MC or any slip. In the MacBook, camera is not available, so yes, pretend we have taken the photo, your MC or anything, apply. So once you apply, leave is successfully apply. Now this leave is pending. This leave is pending until your HR will approve this leave. Okay, then we go back. If I, now this is my employee application. Just now I have login to this one, my employee application. Then I can go to profile. You can check your profile. You can change some of the stuff here, not all stuff. This is not editable. Upper information you can edit, update. You will update, your profile will update. And you can, if you have applying the overtime, you can go to overtime, apply overtime. Which date? I'm applying from 1st January to until 25th January. 60 minutes each day. Apply. Oh, I don't have approval group. So this one you have to ask your HR. They will give you the approval group who is approving your overtime, everything. Then we apply the remarks. You just go remarks for late only or late early or something. What are you doing? Okay, today add remarks. I add the remarks. Remarks is applied, done. Now, after this, if you log out, you will log out from the app. I'm not logging out from this app. Then we just go out from here. If I open the HR app, I have one leave application. If I go to leave application, I can see this is a leave application. If you cannot see, just click this icon here. What date you want to search? Then select department, which department or all. You can search the leave application. Then go here. You want to approve. Then just go from here. Approve. Okay. So your leave is approved now. I don't have any pending request. This is the HR application. If I now go back to my employee application, I go back, I have leave approval. I go to leave, approved by who? Admin. You can see, you want to see the bigger picture from this, you get slide on, slide in. So this is how you apply the leave from here. Inside the system, the leave policy you have to create. You can go to off days and leave policy. This is, I have 3 leave policy, different. You can go to add, then create a leave policy, test 1 to 3, or select the category annual, 10 leave, add, medical 10, add, save. Now I have this leave policy, this leave policy, this leave policy. How to assign this leave policy to the employee? You go to employee, go to any employee, or we just create a new employee for test. I put him under main department. Test employee, pay ID, whatever you want. Add. So we have one test employee. Now I go to employee. We have this test employee. I added this employee. Then you go to leave. You can give him a leave policy. Maybe I give him test 1 to 3. Add. Then how many leave he can take monthly, annual leave, 2 leave he can take. Or medical, he can take 2 leave a month. How many you want? Decide, up to you. This is paid leave. How many paid he can take. So this is the same information If you log in with this employee, he can see his own detail, he can apply leave, everything. Okay. If you are HR, you are not using mobile phone, you directly go to request sidebar, leave request. When you go to leave request, you can search by date from here, 1 to until which date, all approver, or which department you want to search. Select all employee, query how many request is here. So you can check from here. If any pending request, you can go from here, check the thing. If approval request, you can check from here, it is already approved, or you can give your own note here. Okay, this is how you are using CheckTime leave system.